how to leave a group chat on iPhone. So if you want to leave a group chat on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to tap on the group text message that you would like to leave. So the first step is you need to tap on the group text message. So you will have a lot of groups, right? So you just need to simply choose the group in which you would like to leave a group text message. Once you've chosen, on the upper side of your screen you will have the group icons, like how many members are there on your group, like that. So you just need to simply click on that group icon which will be on the upper side of your screen. And once you choose here, you will have this kind of interface, right? So if you want to leave, then on the bottom of your screen you will have leave this conversation option. Simply click on leave this conversation. Once you click on it, you will leave that conversation, or you will leave that group text message. So if you're on the iPhone 14 or earlier, then you can tap on the info button, then tap on leave this conversation. Or that's how you can leave a group chat on iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.